To fix a Facebook account suspended for 180 days, it's essential to ensure the suspension was unjustified and not a result of any wrongdoing on the platform. If you're certain that your account was suspended by mistake, you can try the following steps. First, go to Google and search for Facebook Help, then click on the first result, which should be the Facebook Help Center. In the search bar, type Facebook suspended and press enter. Click on the result that says My personal Facebook account is disabled and read through the information provided. If you haven't done anything to warrant the suspension, click on Was this helpful? And select No, then choose Other and explain in 500 characters why you think the suspension was a mistake, including your Facebook email and username. Next, go to Google and search for Facebook feedback, then click on the first result, which should be a page where you can provide feedback about a Facebook feature. Enter your email address, select Other as the product or feature, and provide a detailed description of the issue, including the same information you provided earlier. Another option is to go to the Facebook feedback page again, but this time click on the second result, which should be a page where you can provide feedback about the Facebook homepage. Enter a subject, such as Facebook account suspended for 180 days, provide your email address. Select a platform, it doesn't matter which one, and enter the same feedback you provided earlier. It's crucial to note that these steps are not guaranteed to work, and Facebook may not respond or reinstate your account. However, these are the best options available to try and reach out to Facebook to resolve the issue if the suspension was not your fault. By following these steps, you may be able to get your account back before the 180-day suspension period is over.